I've had the theory that this time around, it's possible we don't have this big retracement around the time of halving. And we just got some information that is shocking. It's a huge explosive curveball for the market that may in fact confirm this theory that we have. So first and foremost, I know I've talked about this before. BTC has done something it's never done before. We're again above the prior all-time high pre-halving. It's never happened. We're showing good strength in these levels. We're consolidating. We're actually consolidating above the prior all-time high. So there's a lot of strength here. And when we look at institutional money, we have seen this big throttle down in terms of selling. And in fact, we got some confirmation, I believe it was back on the 5th or 6th, I missed this, that Genesis is done liquidating. Genesis is done liquidating their shares of GBTC, which means that we're likely going to see less selling from Grayscale over time. We're going to get some, right? For example, yesterday was another $124 million day. They only had a day with $17.5 million, but you can see we're starting to flow towards the positive sides of things again, which is nice. It's easier to absorb in the market. But what really, I think, confirms this fact that I'm talking about is this big news coming out of China. Now, what we're seeing is that Hong Kong is set to approve Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs by Monday. This is a big deal because guess what? There is large institutional money in China. There's large institutional money abroad. You know, unfortunately, I think we get in this stance where a lot of people think that everything is driven by the US. Yes, we're a big adopter of crypto, like 30 to 40% of the US are current crypto holders. It's a big number, especially compared to the 6% of the entire world. But the thing is China is kind of re-entering the space when it comes to crypto. Remember, I believe it was late last year where they finally got approval for some of these assets again. Remember, back in 2021, China banned crypto early on. That's why we hit our early top, our pullback. We came back down, went on to set a new all-time high in terms of BTC. That money is just starting to flow back into the space. And this is some of the money that wasn't even in the space yet. Things are about to get extremely wild, extremely volatile, and I don't think people, frankly, are prepared for it. This is, again, what I've talked about, us outpacing any drops or retracements or things like that. This may be the move that sends us to new highs, even before the halving. I've said that I think we take another stab at this current all-time high before the halving. All these signs are kind of aligning to show that. The only thing that we have that says that this won't happen is history. But the problem is we're doing non-historical things right now. So this is something that people need to pay attention to. I don't know if we're going to get the same kind of transparency with these flows as we do here in the US. I doubt it. We've seen a lack of transparency from China in general when it comes to reporting stuff. Many people know what I'm talking about, but we'll obviously see how this impacts the market. I think this is big news. I don't believe the market has realized this yet, but it would not surprise me if this is something that pushes us to some of those blow off tops like we talked about. It may take a while for stuff to roll in, just like it has for the US ETFs here. And we know that there's even further ETFs that'll be launched here at home. There's further interest from institutions. They're interested in Ethereum ETFs. And it's going to take a time for us to get there. But this buildup over time is going to be a push that sends the market to, I believe, insane levels. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts below about how you think this is going to impact us. But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.